Okay, this is .tv. Welcome to Jaron's room. Right here, we have Jaron.
The video is all about ASEAN today.
All about ASEAN today, yes. Yep, look at his beautiful body. Alright. And what is this? Whoa, looks like a package.
Today we'll be unboxing a package from Lazada. It consists of a Fuji Mini 8 instax camera and also a waterproof slow-mo cam. Let's see.
Maybe open is a parcel. It's a parcel bunga from Baba.
Baba house. This video will cost you another half a video.
Dun 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 dun.
Pasu bunga.
Pasu bunga Baba.
Wow.
Wow, what's this? Looks like there's a picture there
First
on the side.
is this waterproof slow-mo cam.
Woo! Alright, by the way, before we unbox any further, we have another guest here in Jaron's room,
Here comes a new challenge.
which is look at his untidy face, and he just woke up from sleep. Guess what? His name is Punyapli. Introduced to the .tv guys.
You're stupid dog.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Alright. Now continue on to the unboxing.
So here is the waterproof slow-mo cam.
Wow, hey, nice the effect. Okay, good.
Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Chong Yiping will like this a lot.
Woo! Alright. So currently that's the first unboxing, yes.
Second will be
What's up, Pute? Alright.
Instax Mini 8.
Whoa.
Film,
I prefer the girl on the cover of it. Okay.
including
Forward MC.
Okay, let's do this.
Here once again is Rabbi Punyapli.
Ta-da!
Alright. Just for kicks, guys. Just for kicks.
Wow. Pasu bunga. So we have battery.
Battery AA size some more. Wow, AA. Wow,
Mini strap. Battery strap. And whole guidelines. So basically this is the instax cam. And this is Baba.
Yep, Baba with the Instax cam.
Segaan le. Ah. That's right. Kosong lah. Okay.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching .tv. You're signing off, Mr. Putes. Goodbye, Putes.